Yo, this the Lion Brian checking in with my people, with the people, the American people. All right, the American nationals, the free man and the free woman. All right, for all of y'all out there who know the law and that support teaching other brothers and sisters the way. All right, God bless y'all out there. Yo, God bless me with the truth. Again, as you see clearly, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. All right. Um, a lot of brothers calling me and like, yo, I'm just showing you a portion of it, not to show you the well, man, it's something when you have women in your home and you have to cater to. But every man understands that. You want to see a clothes laying around everywhere. Like it's a whole fashion show, yo. So, but y'all check out my other videos. You see the rest. All right. The one brother called, well, actually, not one, but multiple brothers called me in a jokingly way that they can fit their apartment in um, the living room at least 3 times. All right. And that's cool. I respect that. I thank God for a nice place. And here we are 10 months later, and we see that everything is solid still. All right. Let me get a zoom in on this TV over here. All right. To let you know this ain't no little boy over here. Let me make sure I do this correctly with this fancy phone. This $1,000, $1,100 phone, actually flip phone. So yeah, let me zoom into that tube over there. For all y'all who are not able to go to the theaters and get you a 75-inch at the house, basically a wall unit. All right. And you can have it at the house. Y'all forgive me for the children toys and everything laying around. So yeah, getting back straight to the point. Um, it works if you work it. You guys out there, you men and women out there, is tired of giving your bread up. It's tired of giving your bread up out there and actually getting beat. All right, you guys actually tired of getting beat by these corrupt officials. These concerning what I mean, referring to as these so-called attorneys, these fraudulent and crooked, these fraudulent and crooked attorneys. All right, just to milk you dry. These law gurus out there that's not getting results. Thank God for the ones that's out there getting results. Shout out to them. But definitely I'm messing up the game for them as well. All y'all law gurus out there with the makeshift office that's set up in the corner of a basement or an attic. We never even seen it walk through your house. I mean, you can drive in a car, copy off of other law gurus. I guess that's a trendy thing to do now. But I guess it ain't never in style for the law gurus to walk around in their house. They put up a setting or a backdrop, and you don't know if they in the corner of an attic or a basement or even a garage, yo. Like the same setting all the time. Like, bro, what's your house looking like? Bruh, what's the benefits? All this stuff you know. You feel me? So, yo, I'm just out here. Now, I'm not just out here, but I'm not trying to sell you anything. Obviously, apparently, I don't need your bread. I got bread. I'm out here for the man and woman, meeting them where they at. All right. Needs. And I'm not trying to make the most upfront offer you for a law process that work after you go to court for the 13 times, then you might win. But I'm actually out here for the people, for the living man and woman, the private man and woman, all right, the American national that need law processes that's solid, that work the first time around after you apply it. All right. You don't have to go back and forth to court and risk saying something wrong or doing something wrong and get trapped up. All right. Solid processes we only deal with. Straight to the point. You don't get like 700 pages. I get a lot of complaints like that. These law gurus overload them with a whole lot of information that's really not giving no direction and exactly what to do. And you don't know if they just basically just drop um, a law library, basically a Black Laws dictionary on your lap without just the cover. I mean, just without the covers on it. You don't even know. So I'm not trying to sell you nothing. I'm not trying to convince you of anything. I'm here for the people that's looking for answers the first time around, straight to the point, and their backs is against the wall. All right. Most people call me, they facing 10 years, they on bogus probations. They got multiple child support cases and they don't have time for nonsense or games. So I'm here for those type of people. Don't call me if you just want to complain and you don't want to donate. Do not call me if you want to just complain about how these other phony baloney law gurus don't take your bread because you refuse to come on my channel, and then you want to call me and try me after you got booked about 5 different times, or these guys that's making videos in a mama's car, driving to the grocery store, making errands to the grocery store, putting up delusion in you that they benefiting from a process, but you never see their homes. I mean, okay, I ain't hating. You know, if it's your baby mama car, you know, if it's your grandma car, I mean, if they balling, then okay, I guess you balling too, you know. All right, but nevertheless, um, this is why this whole, you know, how they say, what was that game show lady, Vanna White, you know, the walkthrough. All right, that's why that method has been solidly applied. I'll say solidly applied. All right, for the guys that got no nonsense and they need things that work, from guys that's getting benefits already, from processes that work the first time. All right, it's no brainer. If it's not broke, don't fix it. Um, we got the common law, do not detain, number one, which covers all jurisdictions. All right. Most of these law gurus out there, they don't talk about that because they don't have that, but they talk about what's trendy, these secure party credit things, these injunctions, uh, these discharge and stuff, all that stuff. Most of it is dealing with statutes and codes. All right. So I'm coming at them from a superior position, dealing with the common law. So anybody that knows anything about the common law knows that's the highest position that you can come at them with a case. All right. Um, the highest standing in the courtroom, coming at them, invoking the common law. All right. For all y'all that don't know about it, you can hit me up and get that process. It worked the first time around. So that's number one. We got the common law that covers all jurisdictions. Also, we got the passports. The two I like to use is the World Passport. Get it right the first time around, but most people don't travel like that. So the second one that I offer is the American National Passport, 5-star level security with a lifetime weapons permit, and it covers all 50 states. Unlike this one is circulating out here, that's pretty trendy. That got the 2 and 3 stars, and it only respectively give you protection, limited protection, not real protection, only respective to the state that you're staying in or that you're born in. Um, that's going around for 1,500 or somewhat around there. The one I have is actually going around for 3 times that much, and I give it away for a fraction of that, and it covers all 50 states. Enough said on that. That's number two. Number three, we have a AKA probation killer. All right, applied the first time it terminates probation. There's no going back and forth. There's no small talking. Um, Also, we got the child support. We got 3 child support processes that work the first time around when you apply it. There's no going back and forth to court, burning your gas that you already don't got, paying these phony baloney attorneys up to like 8 and 13 court dates, and you end up still paying the child support debt. So anything that you're doing that you want to get straight to the point, don't call the phony balonies. Hit me up, the lion. And I got law process that will dismantle the first time around. My number is 216-230-8005. I did a video about 9 to 10 months ago. These law gurus had to seen it, and what they been up to, what I noticed is pretty comical. It seemed like to me that now they making videos like they just caught up. Like, bruh, my video was out there 10 months ago and I already gave a walkthrough. Which you had to make some more sales. You had to make the most off of every customer like you usually do before you can go and rent you or at least come up halfway to the status of being able to show something. Far as a partial walkthrough, I really haven't even seen a walkthrough for real. So these guys are afraid to show the benefits. So nevertheless, I think this the lighting is changed on here. This setting on here, but nevertheless, it works if you work it. Broke, don't fix it. I'm not trying to fix it. I'm only applying what's well established, and you get the best thing the first time around. So y'all hit me up, call me or text me. Both call and text me 216 230 8005. All rights reserved. And this is my disclaimer for entertainment, educational purposes only. God bless y'all. To everybody who want to stay free, hit me up. Do not call me if you got complaints and you're not donating. Do not call me if you scary Larry or dramatic Sarah and you need somebody to jab slap you to bring you back to the right state of mind. Do not call me. Only call me if you want serious answers the first time around. The most up-to-date, well effective, straight to the point. With that, check out my other videos. Give me a thumbs up. Share this video and subscribe. I got more content coming to the people that's serious about beating probation, about terminating probations, fraudulent and corrupt probations the first time around. That's beating child support the first time around. That's beating these phony baloney felonies and criminal charges, trumped up criminal charges the first time around. The first application of the law process. Actually, getting your homes back for foreclosures, stopping foreclosures. For any trust out there, anybody that's in need of property protection who don't have proper trust set up, hit me up. We got some cold-blooded trust already being utilized by my brothers in California and in New York, and their economy is off the chain and they still protected. So figure that out. It's no brainer. Um, Yo, God bless y'all out there, and peace to the people. Stay free. And if anybody know a good pool cleaner, hit me up. No, it's cool. We got it. Just waiting for the weather to break. So occupied, busy with helping the people and telling them what family matters, which is private matters. The so stay encouraged, all y'all out there. Um, think about more the common law, not this limited, effective statutes and code type of stuff. Secure party creditors. Only call me if you want what work the first time around and you got donation in hand to work that cash app. All right. If you don't got donations, do not call me. If you don't got donations on hand, do not call me. Do not waste my time. Do not waste your time. I'm only here again for people that need, for men and women that need law education processes that work the first time around. Um, with that being said, stay free, take care of your families, and hit the line up. I don't need to compete. All your lampshade, hat wearing brothers out there, God bless y'all. I pray that God will help you and that you will find the truth and maybe more than not, try not to wear that corny looking lampshade, that thimble on the top of your head and call yourself a law guru. Like, is that supposed to make somebody more impressed? I don't understand that, brother. Show me the results. And I ain't talking about just the same process you've been working for 10 years milking the people. All right. Getting thousands of dollars for one process. All right. I know after you see this video, you're going to try to step your game up, but you're limited and you're not hearing from God Almighty. So you always going to work your 1-2 step, the same old broken record that you've been eating off the people, for over 5 years. Bruh, cut it out. Update your process. Lower your prices. Meet the everyday man and woman out there. All right. Stop ripping people out of 3 to 6 months worth of mortgage payments, just to get you a bigger house. All right. Start off applying the process and getting the benefits and then coming back and helping the people, like over here. Okay. Apartment, fit in one half of the living room at least 3 times. Your apartment, fit in one half of my living room at least 3 times. And I don't even want to begin to show you the garage. I'm not trying to embarrass nobody. I'm just trying to let the people know that there are people out there that's getting remedy. And I'm not trying to sell nothing. I don't have nothing to prove. I done already proved enough. And I'm trying not to laugh over these desks, bench warmers, these desktop computer hugging, surfboarding, computer surfboarding law gurus. Every time you click on, they had the same daggone desk with the same background surfing the web, fishing. Mm, okay. So you know how that old saying go, fool me once, fool you twice, three times. So y'all figure that out. All right. Um, yeah, that's funny to me. So it don't matter what a brother say, right? Shut your face and say your welfare money or go start a GoFundMe page. All right. So you can come up with sceneries like this. And I understand a lot of people work